If that belt snaps, what can happen, guys? You can practically destroy your engine. You can spend thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain why. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Mercedes. It could be almost any Mercedes vehicle, guys. C-Class, C-Class, GL, ML, guys, doesn't matter what it is. If you guys, or GLE, if you want to know how often to replace serpentine belt, okay, because these belts, guys, can easily fail unexpectedly. I mean, really unexpectedly. This one snapped all of a sudden, and I was really lucky that it happened only a few meters away from the house, so I was able to turn around. Stay with us, we'll explain how often to replace serpentine belt. If that belt falls off, often water pump will not be driven by the belt. You can overheat the engine, you can destroy it, you can destroy the cooling system, you can destroy electrical components. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We're constantly getting new cars, we're constantly working on something. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you need to buy any parts, tools for your car, Mercedes, any model, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools, supplies from, and you can, guys, save a fortune. So with that being said, guys, okay, let's explain what we have here specifically now. Okay, I want to show you now. Okay, this is the belt right here that we'll be replacing, and we have a belt out of another Mercedes that snapped completely right here. You can see a belt that was about to fail, and that's a new belt. We're going to talk how often to replace it, but before we start, let me tell you, if that belt falls off, often the water pump is driven by the serpentine belt. That can cause the water pump not to run, which can you can overheat the engine in just a couple of minutes, even less than a minute in some cases. If the belt falls off and comes off or starts falling apart, it can break coolant hose, it can break intake hoses, transmission coolers, oil coolers, multiple things, guys, can be caused by that. Also, the belt can get tangled around the front crankshaft seal, cause a leak as well. So multiple things, wiring harness, wires can be broken because of a failing belt. So, guys, never ignore that. Okay, also, when inspecting your belt, make sure it has not been exposed to any oil leaks or coolant leaks, because having coolant or oil leak will make your belt actually, guys, really soft, pliable. The rubber will be stretchy and it can make it fail really early. But under normal conditions, if you don't have oil leaks, coolant leaks, how long a belt should last really depends on where you live, how you drive your car, how often you use your air conditioner, headlights, and all that stuff. Why? Because when you use your AC, headlights, more electrical components, that means that the belt will have more load and more tear and wear. If you live in a hot or cold climate, that will affect how flexible and pliable the rubber is. Really hot climate can make that rubber turn into hard material, and that can affect the lifespan. Short, practically another thing, cold climate can make it breakable as well. So now, how long it should last? Let me show you, guys. This belt right here failed at 105,000 miles. All of a sudden it just snapped on my other Mercedes. I was driving it down the road, just started, left the house, and I lost air conditioner, alternator light came on. I immediately warned that the belt snapped, so I was lucky that it happened by the house. This is original Mercedes belt, okay? Let me show you now how it started failing. Multiple spots started failing. Okay, you can see multiple teeth. Let me show you the Mercedes logo on it. I want to show you, I want to find it. Okay, where it is on this side. Mercedes-Benz, guys, original belt. Okay, right there, and 65,000 miles. So what Continental says about belt replacements, that's what we go by usually under normal use. Inspect it every 60,000 miles. This one started failing at 65, replaced at 90,000 for sure. This one snapped at 105, so I wouldn't risk it, guys. I usually change my belt every 60,000 miles. When you replace the belt, it's recommended to replace tensioner with the pulley and idler pulleys. Otherwise, you may be doing the job again very soon. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.